Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Clicks Before Coffee, and in this video we're going to take a look at key events. Now they were previously in Analytics 4 known as conversions. There was a time when Analytics had key events and it had conversions as well, but now your conversions are your key events in Google Analytics, and I will show you how to put a key event in Google Analytics 4 account. Now before we deep dive into understanding how to create key events in Google Analytics 4, we have to understand what do we mean by a key event or a conversion. Now, we have already seen how to create an event in Google Analytics 4, right? So it can be your page view, it can be a scroll, it can also be a form fill up, it can be a purchase on the website, it can be any action which is taken on the website which you can monitor as an event. Now, when we talk about a conversion or when we talk about key event, these events are more in value. These are more significant to your events which you are measuring. So let's say if we are talking about just someone viewing a page, that may not hold much value to me as the owner of the website. It may be just someone who's visiting the website and it's just a website traffic, right? But when I talk about a key event, it is something that is providing me with a value. Means if somebody goes on my website and somebody buys something from the website, or they have subscribed for something that is on the website, or if they have just simply filled up a form to give me a lead, okay, that point is a key event point, or that is a conversion for me. That holds much more value to me than all the other events that I am monitoring, right? So let's go into our Google Analytics account and let's see how we can measure these key events or how we can turn on key events in Google Analytics 4. Now let's go ahead and let's first come to the admin settings. That is where we will be able to see where have we created all the events and where can we mark these events as key events. Now we are already in the admin settings, if you can see, and right under data display you've got events and then you have got key events. Now I can access events, key events from here on the left hand side, or I can scroll down and I can access them from here as well. So here I have got events and I've got key events. Just below key events, in the previous format of the Google Analytics 4 or Universal Analytics, there were places where you can put conversions, where you can mark conversions, key events as conversions. But now key events and conversions are the same thing in Google Analytics 4. So the first thing that you need to do before you can mark a key event is you have to create that event first, right? So if it's already there, if it's existing, fine. If it's not existing, then you have to create that event. So for that, we have to go to events, and as usual here we have got a few events that is already predefined for us. So we have got first visit, we have got page view, we have got scroll, we have got session start, and these are 4 events that is predefined for me. Now I want to create a new event which I also want to mark as a key event. That event will be measured as a conversion. So for that, let's go to our demo website. So here right at the top you will see that we've got a demo website. Now on this demo website we have got a lot of things. We have got home, we have got about us, we have got our services, we have got blog, we have got get tickets. Maybe I am hosting an event for which I am trying to sell tickets, right? So if I click on get tickets on my website, because it's a demo website, it's coming back to the home page, but you see right at the top the URL changes, right? Now it has a hash right at the end, but if you see this one, this does not have a hash. Okay, so this, let's say suppose this is the thank you page after somebody has purchased the ticket or somebody has filled up a form which is there on the website. So what I will do is I will copy this URL. This is going to be the end URL that I am going to measure as my conversion or as my key event. Means somebody has completed an action, then only they are able to see this web page or this URL which is coming up here like this, right? So that for me is a conversion. So this I will pick up, this URL I will pick up, and I will go back to my analytics account, and in the events I will create an event for this. So what I'll do is I'll just click on create event, and if you see, I was already trying to create an event which is for a form fill up. Okay, if you want to modify an event, you can modify, or you can just simply click on create and create a new event. And what I will do here is I will just say ticket sales, right? Ticket. Now you have to bear in mind whatever event name you're giving it. Okay, make sure it's same as to what's actually the action which is happening, which you want to track as conversions. It will be easier for you to understand when you come back and when you see your key events or your events. Okay, so ticket sales is what I will say. Okay, now parameter here, what I will do is I'll just simply remove this event name, and you will say that there are some predefined parameters here. So we will see if we have a predefined parameter for this event that we are trying to monitor. So we have got page location. Okay, so this is a location where I want my audience to go after they have purchased something, purchased a ticket maybe. Okay, so let's say, suppose I can just say page location. Here you will see that the event name that you're giving it should not have any spaces. You can separate the words by an underscore. So I'll just go ahead and do that. Ticket underscore sale will be my event name. Okay, and if you actually want to go ahead and see the predefined event names which there are, you can just simply erase the name, and then you can see from here, right? So checkout progress, that is what we are trying to do. This also you can put as the predefined event name. Okay, which simplifies things for you. So here we have got checkout progress, and we have got a page location, means somebody is checking out. If they have if they have made the payment, they will then land to the page location which we are trying to track as the event, the key event. Okay, here in the value we will paste the page where they land after they have purchased the ticket. Okay, and in case if I want to add any condition, I can do that. Here I will not add any condition because that's the final page where they will land after they have purchased the ticket. So after that, what I will do is I'll just simply click on create, and basically that creates my custom event. Here you can see. Okay, and what I will do after that is I'm just going to go ahead and close this, and it's going to take some time for it to come here, right? Because there is nothing which is happening right now. That's the reason why it's not coming here, right? So what you can do is you can just refresh this page once if you do not see it, and you should be able to see it in a few minutes or a few hours. So let's just refresh this once. Now in the events you do not see it right now because there is no data which is being captured. Once you start capturing data, you will be able to see it. But remember the name of the event, right, that you want to mark as a key event. Now in this case, what I can do is if I see the event here itself after it's captured some data, I can just simply switch on any of the radio button beside the event that I want to mark as a key event or a conversion, and it will start monitoring the data as conversions, right? Or what I can do is, if I do not see it here, I can simply go to key events, okay, which is under data display once again. And here you will see that there will be a few key events already, or in case if you want to create new one, you can just simply click on this new event name. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and define the event name. Okay, just you have to remember the event name that you have put in for this event, right? So it was checkout, right? Checkout, and then you can just simply click on save, and you will see it will come here like this, and it's going to automatically be marked as a key event. Now this will start measuring this event as conversions. Okay, now in the events you will only see it when it has some data. That is the reason why in the events you do not see it right now. Okay, but it will start capturing data, and then you will be able to see that event there as well. All the events that you will see in events has some data. So I hope this was clear. In case if you have got any questions, you can always ask questions. You can put the questions in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was informative for you. And in case if you're liking the series, please share, like, subscribe to the channel, and also press the bell notification so that you do not miss on any videos that I upload for this series which I'm creating for Google Analytics 4. I will see you in the next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye bye.